Every aspect of design is human-centric, and every element that we create as designers is specifically for the human emotional connection.
It's a space where you walk in and you feel good without knowing what makes you feel good.
The most common approach is designing for function.
I mean, as the saying goes, form follows function. I really do think that any product design, or any design for that matter, should have a functional purpose.
If you design far from nature and how you feel and everything, like disconnected from human experience and from nature, then how you expect something to be centered ever?
I believe it's very important because how you feel about a space essentially defines how you experience it, and how you experience it is very important.
Aviation and transport projects.
Corporate interior projects, hospitality projects, healthcare projects.
So I work in the hospitality team, so currently I have a mix of 5-star hotel projects and high-rise residential.
I work on one of the largest net zero building in the world.
There shouldn't be any rules in design. I think that's rule number one.
I believe that following a rule will not make you break the small things in order to evolve.
Hanging art symmetrically.
I am by the book. I like to following them. I don't think that it's bad for design to follow guidelines.
Conservatorium in Amsterdam, Piero Lissoni.
If you're looking about function and just bringing in new trends, Rove in downtown is a very good example.
The Amanusa in Bali, because it isn't a hotel lobby, it's actually a roof.
I love the spaces that are just part of nature.
I tend to go more towards National Geographic.
I prefer a bit more old-fashioned ways, so I have a couple of websites.
Ines and Vinod do photography.
Space exploration or biology or everything that it's new and interesting to find.
So I'm a massive fan about drone footage, to see how natural architecture and man-made architecture kind of comes together.
Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it, is by Salvatore Dali.
Design should be for life.
Design is a journey of exploration and discovery.
New ideas are messy and confused, but they develop, mature and grow over time like children.
A style that I grew up with, which is California Dream.
I love every style, every period. Everything has its place and time and moment.
I do like minimal with a touch of classical because that's a timeless approach.
Modernism, because of its simple style and lack of ornaments.
A dreamer.
Is engaged.
I would say the one that collaborates, the one that
Trusts you.
Time-centric.
Necessary.
Currently, I think it's simplicity.
We don't need trends, we need to set new boundaries.
Burst of energy.
Growing, young and opportunistic.
Unexpected, exciting and bold.
More is more.
Inspired, evocative and explorative.